Welcome to Only One Carry-On. This is Jen. Today we're taking a tour of the Premier Suite and a 2-twin room at the Tirana Marriott in Tirana, Albania. This is a single best redemption I've ever received on Marriott points, and if you'd like to know more about that and how that happened, there's a link to the blog post in the description below. The Tirana Marriott is located south of the city and it's connected to the football or soccer stadium. The hotel is one of the tallest buildings in the city, and if you get one of the higher up rooms, you get an excellent view of all of Tirana. So when you open the door, you open into a hall with a small little powder room and then a little space with some desks and a coffee bar. From there, you open up to a dining and living space with a TV, and that's where you'll find the connecting door to the other room. If you were to have turned the other direction when you walked in the door, you will find yourself in the main bedroom. There's a huge walk-in closet with loads of space, perfect for a long stay. A king-size bed with floor-to-ceiling windows throughout the entire bedroom. Don't worry, all those curtains are automated. There's a seating area with a table and a couch. And then the bathroom has a single sink vanity, a bidet, a toilet, and a huge walk-in rain shower. The Premier Suite gives you access to the club level, and in the club level you are provided with dinner in the evenings, and it's not just hors d'oeuvres, it is a full dinner. And breakfast is not served in the club lounge, it's actually included with club lounge access, but it's served in the restaurant downstairs. It is a full buffet with made-to-order omelets, as well as lots of pastries and fruit and vegetables, plus drinks galore. So when you enter through the main door of the 2-twin room, you enter into a hall with some storage on the left, and then straight ahead is the bathroom. It has a single sink vanity, a bidet, a toilet, a shower, and this kind of opaque wall, but that light actually bleeds through into the room. So if you're sleeping, you want to make sure you turn off the light in your bathroom. You got a little storage rack, same coffee setup with a fridge below as the other room, and then the 2 twin beds. There's also floor-to-ceiling windows with automated curtains. There's a couch, a table with a chair, and a TV. We enjoyed our stay at the Tirana Marriott. We absolutely loved our rooms. Again, we got an amazing deal on points for this stay. Please check out the blog post in the caption for more details on that. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.